Hello friends, day 65. Before I go any further, I'd better explain the clickbait title. I took a shower with Big Agnes. Those of you who've been watching for a while will know that Big Agnes is my sleeping mat. So say hi to Big Agnes. And there was one stubborn leak that I couldn't find, so I took the sleeping mat, pumped up into the shower this morning and sprayed a bit of soap all over it, and sure enough, bubbles appeared where the leak was, so I was able to fix it. Now, it's not a lilo, as my friend Paula keeps calling it. A lilo costs about 20 quid, has an R value of probably 1 and weighs 2 kilos. The sleeping mat has an R value of 4.5, costs about 10 times as much, but weighs half a kilo. Quite a big difference. Anyway, I think it now has all the issues sorted, but it's only got to last me 2 more days, because the people who supplied it to me, Ultralight Outdoor Gear, have been very helpful. They've done everything I've asked of them, so they sent me the patches when I asked them to, and once it became clear that there is actually a fault with the sleeping mat now, they volunteered to send me a brand new one free of charge, and they've arranged for a next day delivery to Fort William. So I'm booked in there on Sunday to a hotel, and hopefully there will be a brand new sleeping mat waiting for me. So what about the walking? Well, today the West Highland Way really bloomed. It was amazing, much better than the first few days. So if you want to do some walking up here and you don't have time to do the whole West Highland Way, I thoroughly recommend the bit from Tyndrum onwards, probably to Fort William, although I haven't done all of that yet. But today, mountains everywhere, gorgeous views. Hopefully the video will give you some idea of that, but I've loved it. And the people, I just keep meeting loads of interesting people. I met Reginald yesterday from Nicaragua. I met people today from the Netherlands. I met a couple of guys from the Czech Republic who are walking 30 miles a day. And I met people from America, all over. I just keep meeting people and having fascinating discussions with them. So that's been as much of a joy as the scenery. So see what you think, and see you on the trail. Well, room with a view doesn't get much better than this. That's Glen Coe over there. Mountains everywhere you look.